Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to enable inbox messages from your followers on Pinterest using your PC, thanks to the latest update. This new feature makes it easier than ever to connect and communicate directly with your audience, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of your screen for the menu. At the bottom of this menu, you'll see a gear icon. That's your settings. Click on it to open the settings page. Inside the settings menu, you'll find several options. What you're looking for is called social permissions. Click on social permissions to access more detailed controls over how you interact with others on Pinterest. Now scroll down to the section labeled Messages. Here, you'll see an option for followers with an edit button next to it. Click on Edit. This is where you can decide how you want to receive messages from people who follow you. A new window will appear with different options for message delivery. Select Inbox. This setting allows your followers to send messages directly to your Pinterest inbox, making it much easier to keep track of conversations and respond quickly. Once you've chosen Inbox, don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. You've now enabled inbox messages from your followers on Pinterest. With this update, you can engage with your community more personally and efficiently. It's a fantastic way to strengthen your connections and share ideas directly with your followers. Give it a try and enjoy a more interactive Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!